Test. All right, welcome to Tim Trades NASDAQ Futures Live. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com and get the best discount possible always. Right now, I think it's still 70% off first and recurring months, and then only $40 to activate once you pass the evaluation. Okay, we got the NASDAQ futures here going. Tradingview screen on the left with the NQ1 exclamation, which lines up with the NQZ5 on the wealth charts or Tradovate. I'm using wealth charts because you can use the bracket orders when you copy trade the accounts. I have two 50K account evaluation going. About 3.5 minutes before we look for a trade. I have an indicator that I turned into a strategy that I modified with the specifications, and then turn it back into an indicator that I use to help think on the fly, so I don't overanalyze the markets. Has very specific criteria that once it's met, then take the trade. Just one trade for the day and then done. We do one contract. You're looking for 35 points profit and 35-point stop loss. Market just jolted down 15, almost 20 points in 1 second. Market volatility is up to 25.88. Volatility is going up. Two minutes before the market opens. This is not trading advice. Trading your own. It's not financial advice. Trade at your own risk. There's like a 2 to 3 second delay in the live stream. going to be looking at this indicator to see if a green line is printed. If a green or red line is printed, if it closes below a red line plus meeting a volume criteria, then it will signal to go short. If there's a green line and it closes above that, in addition to meeting a volume criteria, it will signal to go long. And then it'll print take profit and stop loss dotted lines to let you know when 35-point profit and stop loss is taken. Okay, market's open. Market is open. Market is moving. There's a red line at 24,718. There's a green line green line's at 24,760.25. Red line's at 24,718.5. I'm going down right now. Haven't met the volume criteria yet. Volume has to increase to a certain number within the last so many bars. Trade not signaled by 6:35, then we don't take a trade for the day. Just waiting for the signal. Waiting for the criteria to be met. Has not met the criteria for the trade yet. Even though it's chugging its way down, would have been a 10, 20, 30, 40. Would have been a winner if it just got in right away. We may not be taking a trade today, folks. Like, comment, subscribe. 30 more seconds. If trade is not signaled in 30 seconds, we're not going to take a trade.
Sell order filled.
Wild. Okay, it's, I mean, that was down to the wire there. So we took the short.
Stop order filled.
And we got stopped out. Crazy. Loser. What a wild ride. What the heck? What on earth happened there? That was wild, folks. That was like the exact time that the market started cruising back up. What price was that? 24,650. Now I gotta analyze this. 24,650. What the heck was going on at 24,650? I mean, that was the exact $24,650 was the break of that trend line. Wild. Just wild. Look at that bounce back up. I mean, just ripped back up. If we would have got in on that, it just rode it up. 150 points up. What the dealio? It's right at market opens, this thing drops. Dropped 120 points. The reverse is 150 points. Crazy. That's what happens when the volatility goes up, folks. All right. Well, that's the trade for the day. Sorry it wasn't a winner. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code SIM at apextraderfunding.com. All right, I'll break down the swing high, swing low, bull flag, bear flag strategy one more time. You go to about the 30-second time frame. Then you're going to do this ray indicator or ray draw tool. You're going to look for swing high or the swing low, whatever comes first. Then you're going to wait for the opposite. In this case, it's swing low. Once the swing low shows here, starting on this bar, the swing low should be visible by the end of the bar 2 after the swing indicators triggered. Then it prints it permanently on the chart. So what you do is once you see it start showing the swing low, in this case, you count, you wait for 2 bars, 1, 2, and then the high of that bar is where you're going to have the trend line hit. So potentially the break of that bar is the entry point. But then also you're going to be cornering the market and doing the bottom trend line. You just connect the points like so. In this case, the market is so aggressive that it creates these lines here like this. Right? And this would be, because there's second bar is not, you would just play the break, especially since this is a double top pattern. The break is most likely to pop, give you some more too. So when do you enter? On this play here, you enter, typically I enter on the close because it might be a fake out. So you would enter here. I've been doing a 35-point stop loss, but if you're just playing the chart, you want to do the swing low there. That might be a lot. You could also play the break here to give yourself a little bit more stop loss, but typically I do the break, the close, and then you just hold it for whatever ratio you want. If you only want, you can scalp it for 10 points, have a super high win rate. Today the volatility is just, see right here, right when it broke, nice pump down. Did not pass the swing low here. So typically you take the play in the direction of the momentum. See, the momentum is going down, so I would have been looking for a short right here. If this is too much time or too much money is going by, what you do is you switch the time frame. So you go to a smaller time frame. See, there's still not a pullback here in this small time frame. It's still the same play. You would just be able to hone down a little bit better. Because it didn't close right here, you could push this line here and then now play this close. See how it's tighter. Stop loss. Play that close, take that, stop loss. 30, and you could do 1-to-1. It'd be 30 to 30. 30 points. Right there. Or play the first red candle. I'm just going to get out the first red candle, which would be right there, which would be 112 points. Yowzers. That's good. So that is the swing high, swing low, trend line, bear flag, bull flag pattern strategy. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code Tim at ApexTraderFunding.com to get the best discounts possible. Always join me live every morning right here. I try to log in about 6:20 a.m. Monday through Friday. Come check it out. We'll see you guys Monday. Have a good weekend.